Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I hope you're really enjoying the videos which I'm posting in this channel on how to invest in different financial platforms. If you are new to the channel, I would suggest you visit the channel and give them a try. Till now, we have released videos on how to use small case, how to invest in gold, how to invest in debt funds using Wind12. So in today's video, we are going to analyze how the markets have performed in recent days. It's very bearish, if you ask me. Markets have been performing very volatile. One day, 400 Nifty has fallen 400 points. Another day, Nifty is coming back up 400 points, which is highly volatile market. Like them, analyze what is the current situation and find out whether if there are any opportunities for us to enter. Is it really the time to buy the dips or just wait for more crash and then buy the dips? So let's just see. This is the stock for Nifty. If you see the consistent resistance is being found on the upper side, but on the lower side, the lower part is 15,600, which is formed in March and again formed now in May. But then markets doesn't look very bullish because as long as the market is inside below this 200-day moving average, it is always bearish. So until it closes strongly above 200-day moving average, we can consider it to be bullish. So same goes with the bank nifty as well. It has been forming consistent higher on the upper side, lower highs we say, but on the lows we still have lower lows to be formed and we still have some space for it. And even this is below the 200-day moving average, so we do not have any specific confirmation as to which direction the market moves in the upcoming days. So let's analyze how the Nifty 50 stocks have been performing and look out for any potential opportunities if we can find. So let's start with Adani Ports. This is a strong morning star pattern, you ask me, and you can watch out for this if it closes above the 50-day moving average, so that there will be confirmation of a reversal. Asian Paints, the FMCG stocks have been struggling due to the rise in inflation prices. So as long as this high is broken, we do not have much confirmation in this. Axis Bank, banks have taken a hit as well. So to invest in banks, you have to be closely following the Nifty Bank Index. And if you find any potential breakout in the Nifty Bank Index, then you can visit the banking sector stocks and then invest accordingly. Bajaj Auto. So recently it has formed a cup and handle pattern, inverted cup and handle, which is a bullish sign. But it gave a breakout, came back for retracing, and then uh, on the verge of another rally here. But there is no confirmation yet. The markets have been strange, if you ask me. Like they, even if you find a bullish pattern here, if the Nifty or Bank Nifty crashes, eventually the Nifty 50 stocks will crash too. So you just have to pick some stocks which are deeply discounted and watch out for potential entry or exit positions. Other than that, if you watch a stock which is at all-time high, this is not the right time to invest more in that. So Bajaj Finserv as well, it has broken on the lower side, so more chance of down move there. Same goes with Bajaj Finance. If you draw the lower side, it has been forming lower lows consistently, so not a good time to buy. Bharti Airtel as well, it has been under immense consolidation right from September 2021. No confirmation yet. BPCL, BPCL as in it just goes down and down. Due to the Russia-Ukraine crisis, the oil prices have shot up and imports and exports were affected highly. So not a good time to buy BPCL as well. Britannia India. So this is somewhat bullish. You ask me, no? Uh, cons Consistent down move and then up move, consolidation and then ready for another up move. If this closes above this 200-day moving average, you can watch out for entering in this stock. Cipla as well. Recently, it formed a flag and pole pattern, bullish flag and pole pattern, but unfortunately, a huge selling came on the breakout at the time of breakout, and then it crashed. But then it consolidated and looks like it is going for another reversal. But what you have to keep in mind is that you do not have to make any entry or exit positions in this until this level is reached, because this level has so many uh, reversals in the previous chart. So if you see in 2021 there are many reversal at this point of time, so you have to wait until this gets broken. Whole India as well consolidating in the move, no further confirmation. So Divi's Laboratories down move, badly performing under 200-day move. So basically in this video we are going to reject whatever stocks are performing below the 200-day moving average, right? Um and then Dr. Reddy's as well, even though it gave huge up move yesterday, 8%, still it is one of the worst performing stocks. So it is still below 200-day moving average. Let's move on. Iker Motors as well, it is consolidating from a very long time. So until this zone is broken, we do not have a particular confirmation. Gale India as well, uh, many resistant points at 170 range. So let's wait for that before taking any trade. Grasim as well, one of the fundamentally strong stocks, is on the verge of bearish breakout. You can watch out if you are a options seller. HCL Technologies, another IT stock which got severely affected. This is a bearish flag pattern and then gave a beautiful breakout on the lower side and looks like it is set out for another down move. HDFC, even though the merger news brought some positivity, still the FIs are not happy about it, so it just kept crashing and crashing. Same goes with the HDFC Bank as well. HDFC Life Insurance under the 200-day average reject. Hero Motocorp, it is in down move. If you observe and if you want me to draw a resistance line, you have this strong one here. So until this is crossed, we do not have any confirmation. We are just going to be strict about this, because the current situation in market, if the stock is not fundamentally strong or technically strong, it is going to take a hit no matter where the stock is. If you are not going to take risks in that situation, let's just have focus only on stocks which gave a potential breakout and are on the verge of giving a breakout, right? Hindalco as well. In last video we have analyzed this. We have come to know that we expected that there is a potential breakout on the lower side, and fortunately it happened. If you guys have shorted this stock, you must have gained huge profits here. Hindustan Unilever as well. It has consolidated a while, and then this is a bullish move. It falls down, comes back up, consolidates, comes back up again, and now it is above the 200-day moving average. If you observe, so this is bullish. Like if you are bullish on the stock, then you can enter with some quantity and then wait for some more confirmation. Bank as well, ICICI Bank below 200-day moving average. In bank 20-day moving average, 200-day. Sorry, Infosys has taken quite a hit due to heavy valuation. It looks to it looks to be ready for another breakdown. Indian Oil Corporation, another company which got affected due to the war crisis. ITC, a completely different stock. As I always say in my videos, this uh, you can never estimate the performance of the ITC. So we are going to uh, skip this stock even in this video, because look at this, man. Like Nifty is crashing like hell, and this stock is at all-time high. So what can I say about this? JSW Steel consolidating from quite a long time. Kotak Mahindra Bank, another banking stocks. So have a look on the Bank Nifty and then make decisions. Larsen and Toubro uh, below the 200-day moving average, and also gave a fresh breakout. So you have to keep in mind that this is a down move consolidation and it will be set for another down move. Mahindra and Mahindra, same, it is consolidating. Maruti Suzuki as well. So it is around the consolidation range. I would not recommend adding this stock to your portfolio until this range is crossed. We already analyzed this in the previous video. So until this range is crossed, I would not suggest uh, checking into this stock. Nestle India as well, under 200-day moving average. NTPC, it gave good breakout after forming the ascending triangle pattern and then came back for confirmation and is ready to make a positive up move. So if you find out any bullish candle in this chart, NTPC, you can buy some quantity here and wait for the target to be reached. So this is another bullish stock along with HUL. You can add to your watch list. ONGC consolidation range, strong upper side resistance here. Power grid as well consolidating, so we do not have any confirmation. Reliance India, this is another bullish looking chart. So if you see, it has consolidated for quite a while, gave a breakout, retraced, came back again, took support near the 200-day moving average and gave a beautiful bullish candle. So this is bullish as well. You can try to add some quantity in this. Keep in mind that this is also one of the stocks which gets affected due to the Russia-Ukraine crisis. So just enter with small quantity. SBI Life Insurance, this is forming a W pattern if you see here. So if this is crossed, right, the 200-day moving average, and then this resistance is crossed, then this turns bullish. So until then, you just have to watch. One of another banking stock under 200-day moving average, Shree Cements, extremely bearish. Sun Pharmaceuticals. So this is another stock which is in the up move in the recent times. So if you see, it has formed, it has reversed with the support. You can and also there has been a mini morning star pattern, so you can enter in this position as well. Tata Motors below 200-day average, so let's wait for more confirmation. Steel as well. TCS, another IT stock. Tech Mahindra, another one. Titan as well. Recently, it gave a breakout on the lower side. If you see, it just crashed. After this, it crashed down, consolidated, and crashed. Now it is below the 200-day moving average. So let's just wait what the stock has to give us. Ultratech Cement, another. So in the previous week, we have analyzed, like, there are two options here. It can break the 200-day moving average and move on the upper side, but the market is weak, so it came back on the lower side. UPL as well, near the resistance zone. So until this zone is broken, we do not have any confirmation on this. Wipro as well, recently it formed a cup and handle pattern, and now it is set for another streak downwards. So this is bearish as well. So this is about it, guys. Quick analysis on Nifty 50 stocks. Let me know which stock you are looking forward to enter and which stock you are bullish on. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. I hope you are liking the content. Thank you.